Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. If you're into mobile gaming and looking for smart, easy ways to enhance your gameplay, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell so you're always first in line for the latest tips, cheats, and tricks. Today, I've got a super simple hack method to help you stack up on gems in Train Station 2. It works on both iOS and Android. No rooting, no nonsense, just a quick trick that gets results. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure your Train Station 2 is fully updated. This method runs best on the newest build. Head over to the App Store or Google Play, search for Train Station 2, and if there's an update button, go ahead and hit it. Once that's done, we're good to move forward. Now open your mobile browser, Safari, Chrome, whatever you use, and head to the site I'll be using in this tutorial. Once you're there, type Train Station 2 into the search bar and select it from the list. That'll take you straight to the page where all the mod tools are ready to go. So far so good, let's keep it going. On this page, you'll see a breakdown of what the tool can do. Look for an orange button and tap that to get the setup rolling. This begins the connection to your app and starts preparing the resources. Just give it a moment to finish syncing things up in the background. Before the resources can be added to your account, there's a quick human verification step. Usually, this just means downloading a free app from the App Store and complete some task. It's fast, easy, and keeps the system from getting overloaded with fake requests. Need help? There's often a quick video guide right there on the page. Once that's done, you're all set. Now, head back into Train Station 2 and check your gems balance. You should see those extra resources ready and waiting for a Rio. I've already tested this out myself and it worked like a charm. No glitches, no delay. It's honestly the easiest way to boost your account without spending a dime. And there you have it. A fast and easy way to get more resources without grind. If this helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button and share the video with your friends. Got stuck or have a question? Drop it in the comments. I'm always checking in and happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide or game trick. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your boosted account, and I'll catch you in the next one.